Now red my bloody nose sleeping. You're on your tippy toes creeping around like no one knows. Think you so criminal. Bruises on both my knees. For you don't say thank you or please. I do what I want when I'm waiting to my soul. So cynical. So you're a tough guy, like you're really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always so buff guy. I'm a bad type, make your mama sad type. Make your girlfriend mad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy, duh. It when you take control, even if you know that you don't own